Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Power BI to ServiceNow directly, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to establish this connection so you can visualize your ServiceNow data effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need your unique ServiceNow URL. This is the address specific to your company's environment. To find it, simply log into your ServiceNow account and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This URL is crucial for the connection, so make sure you have it handy. Next, navigate to Power BI. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch the application. Once you're in, look for the Home ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Get Data. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with various data source options. From the drop-down, choose Web. This option allows you to connect to your ServiceNow instance directly. After selecting it, you'll need to fill out the connection settings. Here, paste the ServiceNow URL you copied earlier. Now, it's time to choose the authentication method. Depending on your organization's setup, you may need to select basic authentication or another method. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will be similar regardless of the version you are using. Once you've completed these steps, click Connect. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a confirmation that the connection is successful. This means you are now connected to your ServiceNow data through Power BI. To summarize, we started by obtaining your ServiceNow URL, then navigated to Power BI to initiate the connection. After selecting Get Data and choosing Web, we filled in the necessary details, including the URL and authentication method. And just like that, you've established a connection to your ServiceNow instance. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.